drum roll,
Go ahead.
please? Can we have the
Yes.
drum roll, please?
Right.
Okay,
Who all love
so
the drum roll?
okay. Let me share my screen. So just give me the just wait. So my screen is visible. I'm good to go. So all you have to do is just go into the Canva app like this. So whenever you are just searching for the Canva into your web application, you will end it up on this page. So all you have to do is just search the Pinterest pin into the search bar like this. And yeah, you will get amazing Pinterest pin templates. But currently we are creating a design from scratch. So I will just click on this blank template. So as you can see, we have this Pinterest pin. So can you please tell what we need to what comes in your mind when we say Diwali? So let me search in Canva elements about the Diwali. So these are the elements we got when we search about Diwali. So I am quickly adding a background related to Diwali, or you can be specific about search for the Diwali background over here.
Oh,
Okay, and you will get different of amazing Diwali background. So you can choose which one you like the best. Just go with it. So I like this one. So I'm just simply select this background and click on this three dots and set it as background. So as you can see, how simple is that to adding a background into our design in Canva. And now we have to add a great text. So I'm just go into this text tab over here and type our text like happy, and the other text is Diwali. So let's experiment with the different fonts we like. So currently my favorite font is Bryce Semi Expand, and you can choose which one you like. You can do experiment, amazing fonts. Canva has a different font library, so you can just go and try by your own. Just so you can just small adjustment. You can also select and change the color of it to yellow one. So how it is look, Hina?
wow. Within seconds, we already have a design ready. I think, are you going to add few more things? Are you thinking?
Yeah, I think
Okay,
something
okay.
is missing.
Right, right, right.
So
One
yeah,
thing we should add something more in the chat.
yeah.
Add more. Right, add more if
So
you want us to add something more.
when we are talking about the Diwali, why we left the crackers? So let's some
Right,
crackers.
right, right. Even Manju is suggesting to add some lighting. We'll even add
Yeah,
some lighting.
we will add lighting as well. Don't worry, don't worry. Just place it over here and do the small size like this. And you can also add many decorative elements like this one I'm using for this design,
Right, a
and
light.
like this one, and just decrease the size of it.
And lighting
And
is here.
yeah, you can see the design is ready, but I think something is or more need to. So I will apply a great text effect. Canva has a bunch of text effects that you can apply directly into your design. So I'm applying this shadow effect and give a depth look into our design. So I simply apply this text effect onto or both of the text elements like this one. So
Right.
now how it
Just
look?
by adding that text effect, it now looks much more better. Like it has a depth to it. So
Yeah.
great work out that.
So in
Right.
this way, you can also create amazing designs right inside the Canva in few seconds or minutes. So this is the Pinterest pin. You can also download it and publish it into the Canva.